Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. Today we'll start chapter 3, that is working with MS Access 2010. So let's get started. First of all, what is a database? A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. For example, unknowingly we all use database in our daily life. We maintain our personal address diaries wherein we record addresses and telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. From time to time, we keep on adding new addresses and also update the contact numbers and postal address of our friends if there is any need. All these operations that we perform like adding, updating, sorting, editing, deleting, etc. are the functions of database. Telephone diary, a dictionary, maintaining a list of students and their addresses, keeping their records pertaining to academic and co-curricular achievements, list of groceries in a grocery store, catalog in a library, list of customers in a bank, maintaining employees' information in offices and organizations, etc. are the examples of different types of database. So, what is database? A collection of data and information. हमारा सारा डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन का जो कलेक्शन है उसी को हम लोग डेटाबेस बोलते हैं एंड दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ डेटाबेस. Now let us have a quick view. To save the database, press Ctrl plus S key combination और choose Save option from the File tab. हमें सेव करना तो क्या करेंगे? फाइल में जाके सेव पे क्लिक करेंगे या Ctrl S करेंगे. It is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of records, as the chances of committing errors increase. A computerized record-keeping system is a collection of programs that enables you to store, modify and extract information from a database known as Database Management System or DBMS. So, जब हमारे पास thousands of persons का हमें डेटा रिकॉर्ड करना होता है, then it is very difficult to store it. ठीक है, हमें मैनुअली अगर उसको स्टोर करना हो और उसमें एडिशन, डिलीशन और मॉडिफाई करना हो तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. तो इन सब प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव अ कंप्यूटराइज्ड डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम DBMS. इट सेव्स अ टाइम एंड एनर्जी. इससे हमारा टाइम भी बचता है और एनर्जी भी. Moreover, to a great extent, it reduces the chances of errors creeping into database. इससे हमारी errors की chances, mistakes की chances कम हो जाती हैं. Using DBMS becomes fast and efficient. Microsoft SQL Server is an example of DBMS that serves database requests from multiple users. And another example is Microsoft SQL Server 2012. Now let us see the types of database. There are mainly two types of database. First is flat file database. A flat file database refers to data files that contain records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, Microsoft Excel. Second type of database is relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables and links those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. So, जब हमारे पास केवल एक सिंगल टेबल होती है, उसमें कोई रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं होते हैं अलग अलग टेबल्स में, then that is called flat file database. और रिलेशनल डेटाबेस में क्या होता है? बहुत सारी अलग अलग टेबल्स होती हैं, उन टेबल्स में रिलेशनशिप्स होते हैं और उन टेबल्स को रिलेट करके हम लोग एक कॉमन पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन निकाल लेते हैं. So, these are the two kinds of database. Now let us discuss the structure of a database. A database contains a specific structure to store data. Let us study about some basic terminologies used in a database that will help us in understanding the functioning of DBMS. First is tables. Tables are the building blocks of a database. They store the complete data in a structured manner, that is in the form of rows and columns. Every table has a finite number of columns and rows. Now, what are the elements of table? First is fields. All the columns in the table are called fields. Describes a specific attribute of all the records in a table as shown in the figure. For example, the field that maintains the roll number of a table students will store the roll numbers of the students. Now second thing is records. The rows in a table are called records. A record contains the values for all the fields that belong to a single person or an entity. For example, when we enter data of all the fields such as roll number, first name and marks for a given student, it creates a new row in a table which is called a record. Third is data. A set of characters that represent a valid value is called a data. For example, 1, Sandeep, 89, 79, 60. These all are data values for a specific field of the following table students. Now the next thing is query. A database stores vast amount of data, but queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. Queries are also used to perform actions such as delete, update, etc. on the data based upon some criteria or conditions. Next thing is forms. Forms are the user-friendly interfaces that facilitate the process of entering data in tables and queries. A form has an interactive interface that accepts data from the user and forwards it to the corresponding table or query. So, queries क्या है? जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डेटाबेस में से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं कुछ कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वेरीज. और फॉर्म्स क्या है? जब हम लोग कुछ फॉर्म्स भरते हैं इंटरनेट पे, आपने देखा होगा ईमेल आईडी बनाने के लिए वी हैव टू फिल अ फॉर्म, वी हैव टू पुट सम इन्फॉर्मेशन, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड फॉर्म. नेक्स्ट इज रिपोर्ट्स. Reports are used to display selected data in a printable format. Reports collect the summarized data from one or more tables or queries and organize it in a printable form. So, हमारे पूरे database की पूरी summary as a report हम लोग summarized form में दिखा सकते हैं. Next is what is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is the most powerful and popular RDMS, that is Relational Database Management System, that serves as an integral part of Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office के अंदर होता है. It organizes data in the form of tables. It provides the facility to create relationship between these tables by using common fields. हम बहुत सारी टेबल बना के उनके बीच में रिलेशनशिप लगा सकते हैं. A relational database prevents duplication of data. इससे क्या होता है? हमारा जो डेटा डुप्लीकेशन है, अगर हम एक ही टेबल में बार बार एक ही चीज लिखेंगे तो डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेटा आ जाता है. तो बहुत सारी टेबल्स लगाने से हमारा डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेटा डिलीट हो जाता है. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete or view data as per your need. Find and retrieve data in a desired way by using queries and print data in a specific layout by using reports. अब इसके अलावा हम लोग इसमें queries, reports, forms ये सारी चीजें यूज कर सकते हैं. Some other popular RDBMS are Sybase, Oracle, SQL, that is Structured Query Language. ठीक है. अदर एग्जाम्पल्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेस की तरह हमारे अलग सॉफ्टवेयर हैं, लाइक Oracle है, SQL सर्वर है. दीज आर अदर एग्जाम्पल्स. Now let us know more. The standard file name extension for database in Microsoft Access 2010 is .accdb. Means जितनी भी फाइल Microsoft Office Access 2010 में हम लोग बनाते हैं वो .accdb उसमें अपने आप एज एन एक्सटेंशन ऐड हो जाता है जब हम उसको सेव करते हैं. ओके. Now this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.